Today was another impressive day for the markets, Thursday, December 5th. Both the Sensex and Nifty extended their gains for the fifth consecutive session, closing in the green with significant upward momentum. From strong performances in the IT sector to a major Bitcoin milestone, we've got the top 10 market highlights for you. Nifty gained 241 points, ending at 24,708.40, while the Sensex surged by 809 points, or 1%, to close at 81,765.86. Both indices marked another strong day, with 2,050 stocks advancing and only 1,758 declining. And the best part, except for Realty and PSU Bank, all other sectoral indices ended in the green, with IT stocks leading the way with a 2% gain. TCS, Infosys, Titan Company, Trent, and Dr. Reddy's Labs were the top gainers, fueling the rally. On the flip side, SBI Life Insurance, Bajaj Auto, HDFC Life, NTPC, and Grasim Industries ended in the red, with some notable losses across these stocks. Moving on to the currency markets. The Indian rupee closed with a slight gain today at 84.70 against the US dollar. Amid speculation on potential interest rate cuts by the RBI, the rupee did show some strength due to a decline in crude oil prices, but the US dollar capped a significant upside due to economic slowdown concerns in the US. As we gear up for the Reserve Bank of India's decision on the key interest rate tomorrow, December 6th, economists are predicting that the RBI will keep the repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. However, with GDP growth slowing to a 7-quarter low, there are growing calls for a rate cut to support economic growth. Bitcoin has finally smashed through its historic milestone, crossing the $100,000 mark for the first time in its 16-year journey. This record-breaking rally reflects growing mainstream adoption, institutional interest, and a shifting regulatory landscape. While these developments have fueled excitement, experts urge caution as policy changes will take time. The broader markets continued their upward momentum today, with mid-cap and small-cap stocks showing impressive gains. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 climbed 0.57%, while the Small-Cap 100 surged 0.83%. This strong performance highlights a renewed interest in mid and small-cap stocks. Gold prices were unchanged on Thursday as investors adopted a cautious approach, waiting for the U.S. non-farm payrolls data to be released. Spot gold stayed flat at $2,650 per ounce. The market sentiment was shaped by anticipation around how the data might impact the Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate decisions. HDFC Bank hits a one-year high, gaining over 10% in just 3 weeks and giving a boost to the markets. Analysts point to reduced FPI selling, increased MSCI index weightage, and the benefits of the HDFC Bank merger finally taking shape. SBI shares have been on a roll lately, hitting a 4-month high of 871 today. The stock has gained 14% in the last 2 weeks, buoyed by a strong outlook for the banking sector. With its 52-week high still within reach, SBI remains one of the top-performing stocks in the financial sector. Lastly, Zomato's shares soared by over 6%, hitting a record high of $304.65. This marks a 500% gain since the stock began its bull run in March 2023. Zomato's market cap has now reached nearly 3 lakh crore, making it one of the standout performers in the Indian stock market. And that wraps up our top 10 market highlights for December 5th, 2024. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the market trends.